Getting a refund from any Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo is something very easy and simple, straightforward. All you have to do is to make sure you understand how the platform works, okay? And in this video, guys, I have a case study whereby we procure 2 items and just one deliver to the customer in Cameroon. This what I'm trying to say is that a situation whereby you order for 2 quantity or you order for 3 quantity, or and by mistakenly maybe the supplier ship out just one and the product gets to your shipping warehouse in China without making the confirmation. From there the product gets to your country. You can see the time interval. This is about 2 months now because the product, we bought all these products and shipped them by sea. Unfortunately, when the product gets to Cameroon, because this product is from China to Cameroon, unfortunately when this product gets to Cameroon, we find out that out of the product we order for 2 and the supplier deliver 1. Wow. So immediately we talked to the supplier and they got the refund approval. But in this case, you must have something to back up your claim before you can get this type of a refund. So I'm going to walk you through step by step, and I'm going to show you a live case study on how I eventually got this refund from the supplier. This transaction took about 2 months because the product was shipped by sea. You can imagine the time interval, and still yet the supplier grant the refund, maybe because they found out that they are the one that made the mistake and they refunded the money back. So with that being said, so let me just take you to the tutorial and show you step by step you need to take if you are in this type of category. And then you are going to be 100% get your money back from the said Chinese supplier. So let's get started. So first thing first, you have to go to your Pinduoduo app. So here is my Pinduoduo app. Then you have to access your profile right here. You click on here to access your profile. Then when you get to your profile, always know that all the products that has been delivered successfully to your country or to your Chinese warehouse is going to land here. So this is where the process starting. So you have to click on here now. So when you click on here, everything is going to load like this. These are the products that deserve a review, which simply means that you have received the parcel, whether you receive it from your whether your shipping company or freight forwarder have received it from their warehouse, or you as a person have physically received the product in your country. So everything move here. So from here, you still have to swipe from here and to here. Then you'll be able to see some of the old time products that have been delivered successful into you in your country of residence. Okay, so I'm going to swipe just like that. All right, so all these products right here, they were fully dispatched out and then delivered. Now, the product we are talking about, as far as this case study is concerned, is a very long time product. It's almost 3 months now. So we have to scroll down and see and figure out the product. So you can see all this product has been dispatched and shipped out of the China and delivered to the various country. Okay. So it's a very long time. Okay, here is the product. So this is the first one, and this is the second one we place order for. So you can see the company logo right here. Now what happened here is that what this seller deliver is just this one instead of the 2. Okay, now if you have something like this and you want to claim a refund, all you have to do first is that you have to click on the product link that was not delivered successful as a result of your supplier mistake. And nobody is above mistake. I believe this is a mistake, because if this is not a mistake, they will not refund your money back. So this is the reason why I categorize this issue on a mistake basis. Okay, so you have to click on the product that was not delivered. So I'm going to click on that. Then when you click on that, it opens up this way. Now take note of one thing. This product was given a tracking number, and it shows that the product was delivered and received by the shipping company, but the quantity was not completed. This is the refund we are trying to claim. So when it gets to this place, you have to click on here now. The first thing you need to speak to the supplier that sold this product to you. You don't need to contact Pinduoduo customer support. All you need to do is to contact the supplier first and let them know what really happened. So for you to do that, you have to click on here. Okay, this is this second step you have to take. Now it's open up this way. Then you can now select on the product. Just tap on here, then the product will open in the chat box. Now you can see my chat with this supplier. So it started from this point right here. So at the initial stage, we were able to, he was trying to deny the fact. Now they asked me to send them the proof of evidence that the product was not fully delivered based on the quantity we purchased. So I send the picture of the one quantity they deliver instead of the two, which is this one right here. So you can see in the box. So only the pink was delivered. The blue was not there. So they still asked me to send the front page, the front pack of the parcel. So we make another picture of the parcel and send it to them in China. So with all this, we were able to communicate more and more, and I send this to them that this is what I paid for. You can imagine I pay for two, but you guys deliver just one. So along the line, they were able to agree with my claim, and they feel so sorry for the inconvenience, stuff like that. Now it comes to issue of refund. Then the first refund was sent to me, and I did not approve it because I was not around. Then later another one was sent to me, which is this one. Now immediately they sent you a refund. The supplier will be willingly to send you the refunds. In this case, it's not something you can personally make a claim. There must be a mutual agreement between you and the seller. So that is why they personally send me the refund request. Then when they send the refund request, I have to accept it because that's the best option. So when you accept the refund request, it's turns to stuff like this. Now for you to track your refund process, so you just have to go back to your profile. Okay, you can see all our chat right here. You can see all our chat right here. So for you to track the process of your refund, you have to go back to your profile. To go back to your let me quickly show you the dates at which this product was purchased and shipped out from China, so that you guys can see that this is a very long time transaction and we still get the money back successfully. So where is the date? Okay, come to the order number right here. So you can see, so this product was shipped out from China on the 26th of September 2022, and we got refund December. So you can see it's almost 3 months and we still get a refund for this particular purchase. So back to your profile. Okay, so when you go back to your profile, then for you to track your refund process, if eventually you got the money back full or the seller trying to deceive you, they are not sending your money back, so you have to click on here to track your refund process right here. So when you click on that, it's open up this way. So you can see the product we place a refund for. So all you have to do is to just click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it's load up and then it's going to show you what is pumping. So right here, you can see everything right here will be turned to green. This simply means that your refund has been approved by the seller and the money has been refunded back to your Alipay account. The money will go back to your Alipay account, not on Pinduoduo. You can only track your refund on Pinduoduo, just like what I'm trying to show you right here. Okay, so you can see the product picture right here and then the company that refund the money successfully. If you still want to talk to the supplier or whatever, you can click on here to communicate with them that you have successfully received your refund and you are so much appreciate for the business doing with them in successful manner. So guys, so you can easily go back. So all the refund you have been collected so far in the past is going to be located right here. So you can see we have a lot of refund cases as far as Pinduoduo is concerned. But one good thing about Pinduoduo is that ever since I've been purchasing for this platform, I procure for people and I procure for my personal business. There was no any issue. The platform still remain the best to me as far as procurement and shipping from China is concerned. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as how you can claim a long-term refund from any Chinese supplier using your Pinduoduo. But first thing first, you make sure that there is a mutual agreement between you and the seller. In this regard, you're going to get your refund back without any stress. Thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to the end, and don't forget to share this video for your loved one that might have this type of issue. So show them and let them see how they can get their money back even without fighting with anybody on Pinduoduo platform. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.